guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. We are in Miami. This is going to be my second vlog that I'm filming here. If you guys missed last week's video, I will have it linked down below for you. But we are here for 3 weeks and we are having such a good time. We're just soaking in all of the sunshine and the nice nature and all the beauty that is here in Miami. Yeah, the first week that we were here, we were staying at the one hotel in South Beach, which we loved. It was right on the beach. They had a few pools and just like all the interiors, and it was just a beautiful experience at the hotel. Now we are at an apartment. It's called Sonder. It's kind of like an Airbnb. We're trying it out for the first time. This is our bedroom here. It has 2 bedrooms and Nalia is currently napping in the other one. We'll be here for another few days and then we are moving back to the beach to an actual Airbnb that is a little bit further up the coast. Yeah, we just want to try out different areas and see like what different spots have to offer. And now we're more in the city, so I don't know if you guys can hear, it's a little bit loud here like with the traffic. Personally not my favorite. It wasn't really what we expected in terms of location, but we are trying it out. The apartment in itself is really nice and it's great to have all of the amenities of an apartment versus hotel. We have a kitchen with a dishwasher, laundry machine, dryer, and just more space than a regular hotel room, which we also actually had at the one hotel because they do offer apartment style rooms as well. And we are here with our baby, of course, and that is so important. Outfit of the day, I'm wearing this really fun green printed dress from Zara. It has this fun little pom-pom detail here on the edge of the dress and also up here on the top. It's very cute, and then it ties at the waist, which I love. It's always very flattering, super comfy and lightweight, and this is new from Zara, so if you guys like it, it should still be available. I will have it linked for you down below. My jewelry is from Missoma. This is a new piece from them. There you guys can see it's got these beautiful diamonds here on the top. This is called their horn necklace. This is from the Lucy Williams collection. It's one of their most iconic necklaces that they've done, and her line with them is gorgeous. They have so many beautiful pieces that I've bought with them throughout the years, and now they've come out with a new collection featuring their staple items in a reimagined way, so in a more modern, fun, and up-to-date style, and this necklace is one of those pieces. It's gorgeous. I also have on their choker. This one I wear on a daily basis. It's so great for layering. And then these earrings are so pretty as well. Can you guys see the mixed metals? So this is also from the reimagined Lucy Williams collection. These are the smaller ones. They are so comfortable, you guys, like super lightweight. That is such a priority for me. I want things to be comfortable, like yes, beautiful and look nice, but they have to be comfortable. And not only are they lightweight, but the quality is really good as well. All of Missoma's items are 18 karat gold plated on 925 sterling silver, so the quality is great. They're going to last you a really long time. I work out with them, shower with them, swim with them, and they look incredible. I also got the larger versions of these mixed metal hoops. They look like this. Super pretty. You guys know I love my Apple Watch. I wear this all the time, and the strap is two-tone metal as well. And I like that because my wedding bands are white gold in like a silver color. So I like that I can still wear my gold jewelry. Most of my necklaces are gold, a lot of my earrings. And now with these pieces, I can match the mixed metal of my watch as well and still have everything go really beautifully with my wedding band. I love pieces like this for both daytime with casual outfits, but also they work so great for nighttime, dressed up, just super versatile and go with everything. All of their jewelry is also designed in-house in their studio in London, and the pieces are crafted by artisans, so all of the designs are unique and super beautiful and really thought out. Yeah, I just cannot recommend them enough. I'm obsessed with this necklace. I also love the length of it. I'll make sure to have all of the items that I featured down below in the description box with the links if you guys want to check anything out. So everything will be down below for you in the description box. Alright, we are at Contessa. We ordered a mixed chopped salad and a bolognese for Nalia, which is also our dishes. So we're waiting for another one to come out. Hello guys, it is a new day. We have been having a very chilled morning. I feel like it's the first day where we've really been relaxed and at home. We've been doing a lot of exploring, visiting different neighborhoods. Today was actually the first day that it really rained a lot in the morning. What did you say this morning?
It could be nice to have a little refreshing from a little rain in between.
He's actually happy that it was raining. Yeah, we're just having a very cozy day with a little rain. It's actually quite nice.
Working a little bit, guys. Getting tired. I want to sleep now. Too bad.
Cozy. Yeah, we just put Nalia to sleep. She's having her afternoon nap. Just having a really chill day. Mo just had some lunch here at the apartment, but I ordered myself a salad from Sweet Green and it just got here. Here is my salad from Sweet Green. I got the green goddess salad and looks beautiful. Looks like a dressing here, some walnuts, lentils, carrots, green cabbage. This looks like broccoli, spinach, some kale, sweet potato, and then a dressing. Yum. We all slept so well last night. Nalia slept 12 and a half hours. 12 and a half hours. Now we are on our way to Pura Vida. It's a really cute cafe. They actually have a few of them scattered throughout Miami. All the boating that is here. Right now we're just randomly came across this Sunset Harbor.
Checking out our new yacht that we bought. Just standing there waiting for us because it will be driving into our new house. Yeah, but just casual, you know?
I do love all of the water, like you drive over so many bridges here. There's so much water all around Miami and all the channels, like with all the boats. It's so pretty. We went to Fort Lauderdale a few days ago and we also checked out that neighborhood and some of the properties. Yeah,
cute.
So beautiful. Like just these huge boats outside of people's homes. Like you get a parking space, but you also get like
how I see it.
A space for your boat. so beautiful. Yeah, it's just stunning and very unique. We've never experienced that. Like yes, if you go to a city, there's like the dock with boats, but never like so many places over and over and so much of it. It's so pretty. It is a little bit later. We are currently in Coral Gables. Oh no, we're in Coconut Grove, but we've toured the Coral Gables and Coconut Grove area here in Miami, and lots of people recommended this as a nice neighborhood to look for homes. That's what we've been doing for the last few hours, and it's so cute here. There's a lot of beautiful streets with trees and the houses. It's not so much like apartment buildings, but it's more of like a family style kind of neighborhood area, and it's very, very cute. And here in Coconut Grove in the town, there's lots of cute little shops, boutiques, restaurants. We're currently sitting at...
It's called Amal.
Amal. And this is actually a place that Mo has been wanting to go to. Life with a little baby. Mo's actually been wanting to come here, and when we were touring the neighborhood, they said, oh, this is a great restaurant here, and it happens to be the one that Mo's wanting to go to. And this is what it looks like here. It's very pretty inside.
That's what I always...
We're here at 5 o'clock, so we are the first ones here. Also, life with a baby. Okay, we got tabbouleh, spinach fataya. This is the hummus. This bread is beautiful. I just gave a piece to Nalia. We just stopped by the Mr. C Hotel, and we're on the rooftop now, and this is the view. It's so beautiful. So nice. We just put Nalia to sleep, and we are going to call it a night now. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've gotten a little bit sick. We all have. It started with Nalia. She actually got a fever. Then the fever went down and she got a runny nose, and now she's a little bit congested, and we have the same thing. Like, we didn't get the fever, but we, like Mo and I, we both have runny noses and we're sneezing like crazy, so that's fun. But yeah, that's what's happening right now with my voice and with my nose. That's why I'm a little red. Anyway, tomorrow we are off to our next place. As I mentioned, we are moving back to the beach, but a little bit further up the coast, and I'm very excited to do that. It's been nice here, like we've enjoyed the apartment, but not the right area for us. Like, it's been pretty loud and very busy, but again, good to see different places. And as we've been here, we have done lots of exploring in different neighborhoods. We met with different realtors who have shown us around different neighborhoods and who have shown us different properties, so that's really exciting. Yeah, just getting to know the city, getting to know the neighborhoods, and see if it is a potential contender for a place for us to move to in the near future. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed hanging out with us, and until next time, I hope that you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.